OpenAI had its mind on launching an erotic chatbot for quite some time now, but now the AI company's putting the project on hold indefinitely. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. OpenAI has decided to halt the chatbot after employees and investors showed concern over the feature, and ever since tech companies have come under increased scrutiny over child safety. The company says it's focused away from side projects this month, and now it's working towards more business and productivity features. Earlier this week, OpenAI also announced the shutdown of its Sora video generation app. Now it's reportedly working on the launch of a ChatGPT super app that combines its Codex coding app with ChatGPT and its Atlas browser to compete with rivals like Anthropic's Claude and Google's Gemini. OpenAI first announced plans to relax restrictions on ChatGPT to allow erotica last year, planned for a December launch, but the feature never arrived, and even one senior staff member left the company over its concerns. The employee said, "AI shouldn't replace your friends or your family. You should have human connections." Besides that, it was hard to train a model for adult content while avoiding illegal behaviors such as bestiality or incest. Tech companies are already battling scrutiny over alleged harm caused to underage users of their platforms, with many countries passing age verification laws for adult content. OpenAI launched an age prediction system as well, but an insider said that it has an error rate of more than 10%. So, canceling this problematic feature is the better choice for OpenAI. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.